Welcome to how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 11 Home. And this is a little overview of Hyper-V. Hyper-V is a hypervisor developed by Microsoft, introduced with Windows Server 2008. It allows for creation and management of virtual machines, essentially simulating multiple computers within a single physical server. Each VM can run its own operating system and applications, providing flexibility and efficient hardware usage. To install virtualization on Windows Home, you use Notepad to open the code above. From this code, you create a new script file. You save the file as above to create a script file on Windows Home. After getting the script file, you have to run it. Here is an error. Elevated permissions are required to run DISM, and this is the error number. And in order to run DISM with elevated permissions, you can open the Run dialog, Windows key plus R, and type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter in order to run as administrator. You can execute the DISM commands. It will take a while. So, why elevated permissions are needed? You know DISM is a powerful tool used to modify and repair Windows images. It needs elevated permissions to make changes to the system's core components. Trying to run DISM without proper administrator rights will result in an error message indicating the need for elevated permissions. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once completed, you are required to restart Windows to apply changes. After restarting, you have to run the script file with administrative rights. You have to wait about 1 minute to complete the virtualization install. Once completed, you are required to restart Windows again to apply changes. After restart, you can type in Search Hyper-V. And here we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.